How to register and buy an account at Funding Move, a step-by-step guide. Here is a step-by-step tutorial explaining how to open an account and register with Funding Move, your reliable prop company. This guide will take you through every step of the procedure, regardless of whether you're new to our platform or prop trading. To make the process even simpler, follow along. Step 1. Visit the Funding Move website. Go to the Funding Move website by opening your web browser. Homepage. This is the homepage where you may learn more about the services that Funding Move provides. Step 2. Navigate to the registration page. Usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage, look for the Sign Up button. You can access the registration page by clicking the Sign Up button. Step 3. Provide your data. Put your name here. Enter your last name and first name in the full name field. Email. Address, please provide a working email address that you can access. Create a password. Select a secure password. A combination of letters, numbers, and special characters should be used. Contact information. Enter your contact number. Select country. Select your country name. Step 4. Click I accept to proceed. Examine the terms and conditions. Tick the box. Step 5. Complete the registration. Click on the Register button to submit your information. Email verification. Check your inbox for a verification email from Funding Move. Open the email. To verify your account, click the link supplied in the email. Step 6. Log into your new account. Return to Funding Move's website. Return to the home page. Click Login. Enter your registered email address and password. Access your dashboard. After logging in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Step 7. Explore the account options. Account types. On your dashboard, you will discover various account types available for purchase. Select an account. Select the account that best suits your trading needs. Step 8. Get an account. Select the account size by clicking on it. For instance, if you select $5,000, click on it. Examine the account information. Review the account's features and advantages. Choosing Buy Now will direct you to the payment process page. Step 9. Provide your payment details. Method of payment. Select the payment option that you want to use, PayPal, credit card, etc. Put your payment information. Here, enter your payment details precisely. Details regarding billing. Make sure the address on your payment method matches the billing address. Your payment will be processed after you click Place Order. Step 10. Verification and entry. Payment confirmation. An email confirming your purchase will be sent to you. Get into your account. You can access your newly verified trading account using your dashboard. Step 11. Register as an affiliate. Click Become Affiliate. This usually appears at the web page's top on the left side. Scroll down and click Join as Affiliate. This will take you to the affiliate registration page. Fill in your information. Name, please provide your full name. Username. Select a unique username for your affiliate account. Account email required. Please enter the email address linked to your Funding Move account. Payment email. Provide an email address where you would like to receive payments. Website URL. If you have a website, provide its URL here. How will you promote us? Describe how you plan to promote Funding Move. Click Register to finish your affiliate registration.